Happy Teachers Day to you all. As today we are celebrating Teachers Day on the birth occasion of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a very great teacher. He gave many lessons from which we are learning and we are yet to learn more. On this special occasion, I would like to say for the teachers that you become a teacher who not only teaches the syllabus, who doesn't only teaches the curriculum, but you have to become a mentor, a guide for your students, for your children, so that they can learn the way of living, so that they can master the art of living. Now, master the art of living in what sense? In every sense. A student, a learner, he or she must know to do their work, all of their works properly.
As you know, today we are celebrating the Teachers' Day, though it was 5th September that usually celebrated because yesterday it was a holiday, national holiday on the account of Eid Milad. That is why we are celebrating this festival today. And for this one, definitely the credit and entire thank goes to the Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan ji. Because he devoted his entire life to the teachers, and somehow this is the reason that why we are celebrating Teachers' Day. So today we are nurturing and we are singing the song of the teachers' life and their contribution towards the society and the entire national development, because somehow they are creating the futures and they are counseling and shaping the futures of our country.
Devotion. Saurabh ji, first of all, I would like to congratulate all the teachers, those who all are serving their nations, those who all are the building blocks of the nations, those who all are what? The counselors, the mediators, the guide, the architects, the designers, the path providers, obviously the facilitators, the demonstrators, the managers. Because if we'll take my view, the teachers are next to God. So special thanks to the teachers for all those rewards and recognitions which the students are getting just because of the mentorship and guidance of our respected facilitators. So I would like to congratulate a happy Teachers' Day to the whole nation's teachers, because obviously teaching is the profession which creates all the other professions. So whoever is IS officer, whoever is IPS, whoever is scientist, whoever is chartered accountant, whoever is what, a management guru, the credit goes to the teachers just because of their guidance, just because of their nurturing, policing and grooming part, because the teacher always nurtures the students, policies them, grooms them and makes them a complete package. So this is the process which takes place in the process of what, you can say a designing process. And obviously as an architect the teachers designs each and everything. So
सबसे पहले मैं उड़ान इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के तरफ से आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूँगी। आज हमारे विद्यालय में शिक्षक दिवस आयोजित किया गया था, जो 10वीं के बच्चों ने आयोजित किया। उन्होंने अपना सराहनीय योगदान दिया। शिक्षक शब्द आता है शिक्षक, अगर इसको हम लोग तोड़ तोड़ के देखें, शिक्षक शिक्षा मतलब शिक्षा देने वाले, श जो आ रहा है वो है शिक्षा, श जो है क्षमा करने वाले, और क मतलब कमज़ोरियों को दूर करने वाले। अब जो ये शिक्षक हैं ये बच्चों के अंदर शिक्षा देकर उनकी कमियों को दूर करके क्षमा की भावना रखते हुए उन्हें आगे बढ़ाने का काम करते हैं।